Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to put up a joist real quick using joist hangers and just techniques to get it up there and stuff. So, one of the things, you want to like a piece of scrap wood with some screws pre-drilled into it, or some holes pre-drilled into it, and just line these up along the wood here, and then so you got a part overhanging here, and then you just screw them in real quick. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, just gonna screw those in real quick. And I can't see. It's so bright out here. Okay. So just hold it down, make sure it's pretty level, and then screw it in. That'll just assure that the top of your beam that you're going into will line up with the top of your joist that you're trying to put up there. So I am putting this one up here. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you guys to see over here. I'm going to put it up over there even with this one right here. So I'll show you guys that as I put it up there. Okay. Right. Okay, so basically just put the joist up there like so, and you can see the top part there and it goes over it, and so it's just hanging there. Not only does this help if your joists are on a slope, like all the joists are kind of sloping this way on this beam right here, so they all slope down. So this will keep your slope too, since my beam up here is also sloped. That'll keep the slope on the top, since the thing is level there, or going down at the same slope. So then I'm doing 16 on center. So what you want to do once you get the first one in, you just keep measuring 16 on center from there. So what I've been doing is just measuring from here to here, 16 on center, and then taking my square, this here, and going from one side of the beam, like from here. Actually, I'm going from here this way. I'm doing 15 and a half, and that gives us 16 on center. When you go from this side, flush with the other, so I'll show you. Like I got, so you got a beam in there, and then you put this flush with the beam you already got, that's already square and stuff. Hold it up against there, and then you just measure, 15 and a half across from there. You see that square, and it should be all the way. You should be able to keep that all the way along your beam, keeping that one side over there flush. And this should be 15 and a half, basically, all the way down to give you 16 on center, depending on your square and stuff, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and get that up there, and then show you how to do the joist hanger real quick. All right, we'll be back. All right, so we're back. So we got a joist hanger here, and I found that get the board all lined up, I use these clamps just to clamp it in place. And then I have another system of clamps over here where I clamp it to the other end there. I'll show you that in a minute. But just wanted to show you with the stringer here. Let's see here. Trying to give you a good angle here. Sun is bright. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm probably going to be in the way right there. At any rate, we're going to try this over here. Okay, so what you want to do is put your stringer up there. So I got this clamp down. You just hold it tight on both sides, pushing up, and then taking your hammer that little, I can't show you with the finger, but that little piece of like a metal tab there. You want to hammer that in on both sides towards the top there, and it'll hold it there. Then you can tack in the nail. So I'm going to try and show you this. I don't have the best angle here. Okay, so there we are. Hold on a second. Okay, so we'll try and show you that. Zoom in here. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to show you that. Hopefully my big hat won't be in the way. Okay, so once you got it in there, then you want to secure it with your little stringer nails. What are they called? I don't know. They're the little shorter nails here. And you just want to tack those into all the holes. Go ahead. Okay, so once you get those in there, then you want to, those are like 1.5 inch nail. Then go with a longer nail, probably about 2.5 inches, and secure the joist hanger, the joist to the beam by going into these little holes on the sides. Okie doke. So once you get that in there, that's about all there is to it. So it's secured on both sides, and then I wanted to show you just if you guys come across this, or if you're doing something similar, how you tie in like using clamps and stuff, and then like a hurricane tie on like the opposite side of maybe like a stringer that doesn't have a block, it's just going down the end here. Well, a lot of times these beams move a lot on the end. Yeah, nothing really holding it on there. Let's see here. You can do a hurricane tie, but I wanted to show you just to help hold it there. But to hold it when you hammer it in the hurricane tie, how do you keep it from moving, right? Well, these bar clamps here, I wanted to show you this, what I do. So I use one bar clamp, took it to the joist below, and then I use a long bar clamp going from the one over that's already secured to this one, and then one in the middle to like push. So one's pushing, one's pulling, and it makes a really, and you got this one bolting it down to the stringer below, so it makes a really solid basically platform for when you hammer in your joist or your hurricane tie here. So I just wanted to show you guys that. It's not really part of the thing, but it's just kind of like a tip. There may be other ways, but I found this very effective, and this doesn't hardly move at all when you use this technique. So I hope that helped, and I totally recommend getting some bar clamps if you're doing a project like this, especially if you're doing it by yourself. And yeah, hopefully that helped everyone, and thanks for watching. That's how to hang a joist, a stringer joist, and you know, a little tip on the hurricane tie on the other end if you're doing a similar project as me. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We're gonna keep working on this. Goodbye.